NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making deviled egg pasta salad. The ingredients that we're going to need today are parsley flakes, paprika, 1 1/4 cup of ditalini pasta, 6 large eggs. I have a 2.5 ounce bag of bacon bits, 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I have my scallions chopped, only the green parts, and that's optional, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. To a pot of boiling water, just want to add a little bit of salt. And now we're going to add in our ditalini pasta, and we're going to let that boil according to the package for 10 to 11 minutes. To another pot of boiling water, we're going to add in a little bit of salt, and then we're going to add in our eggs. We're going to let our eggs boil for 12 minutes. Once your pasta is done cooking, you can go ahead and drain it. Now you can set it to the side and let it cool off some. After 12 minutes, turn off your heat, and you want to remove your eggs and place them into a bowl of cold water. Now you want to let your eggs sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can go ahead and peel your eggs, and you want to put one to the side because we're going to use that as garnish. Okay guys, after you peeled your eggs, remember to set one to the side. So now we're going to cut them in half. Once you have them cut in half, we're going to separate the yolk from the egg, and you want to place them into 2 separate bowls. Now we're going to take our egg whites and we're going to chop them up. Once you're done chopping up your egg whites, you can set them to the side. Okay guys, now this is going to be up to you. I don't want my egg yolks to be chunky, so I'm going to get a bowl and I'm going to pass them through a sieve. We're just going to mash them down so they'll be nice and smooth. All you want to do is just keep pressing down until you get them all in the bowl. This is what they're going to look like once they're all mashed through your sieve. Okay guys, so I grabbed a larger bowl. I want to make sure I have enough room to mix everything. I'm going to add in my egg yolk. Now I'm going to add in my mayonnaise. My apple cider vinegar. My ground black pepper. And also my Dijon mustard. Now we're just going to whisk everything together until it's nice and smooth. Now we're going to add in our pasta. You want to add in your egg whites. Also going to add in our bacon bits, and you want to reserve some for garnish at the end. Now we're going to mix everything until it's well combined. Okay guys, look how yummy that looks. So you guys now can taste it. If you need to add any salt, you can. I personally don't think it needs any. Okay guys, once you plate it, you can go ahead and slice your egg. I'm just going to use an egg slicer. And we're going to place our egg onto our salad. Now I'm going to take some of my bacon bits, just sprinkle it over top. Also going to add a little bit of parsley flakes. And also you want to add some paprika. Guys, you can also add some of your scallions if you would like. Just going to add a few over top. You can also make this personalized to how you would like it. You can add onion and celery. I just decided to make it simple. This is a great side dish for Easter and also to have when you cook out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.